when we stop complaining about the troubles we have and offer thanks for all these troubles we don't have. Good morning everyone, respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. On behalf of Standard 10, I am Richard and I am welcoming you all to today's morning assembly. Let's start our assembly with DAV gun.
School, attention! Deepika begins. Join your hands and close your eyes.
So, first of all, let's take place with
Good morning everyone. Myself Shraddha Kumari of class 3. Take place position. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity along lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Thank you.
now to present and principals of Arya Samaj, I would like to call
Good morning everyone. I am Inakshi Bera of class 3, 10 principal of Arya Samaj. Principle number 7. We should treat all people with love, fairness and due regards for their merit. Principle number 8. We should aim at dispelling ignorance and promoting knowledge. Thank you.
now to present today's thought. I would like to call.
Good morning everyone. I am Sachi Samika of class 3. Thought of the day is time lost cannot be recalled. Practice makes a man perfect. Thank you.
School, attention! Rehearsal begins.
Now, to present today's news, I would like to call.
Good morning. My name is Sonam Kumari. News headlines. Bhupendra Patel to be the 17th Chief Minister of Gujarat. Priyanka Tibribal of BJP will contest from Bhawanipur by-election. Volcano appeared in Mexico. India-England 5th Test match is cancelled. Al Jazeera appeared in new video marking 9/11 anniversary. Thank you.
Now, to present today's word, I would like to call Prachi. Good morning everybody. Today's word is agoraphobia. Its meaning is abnormal fear of open space. Its spelling is agoraphobia. I repeat it, agoraphobia. Its meaning is an abnormal fear of open space. Its spelling is agoraphobia. Thank you. Now, for today's MOD speech, I would like to call our beloved Priyanka sir.
A very warm good morning to one and all present over here. Esteemed Principal sir, my worthy colleagues, and my lovely children. Today, I am going to deliver a speech which is based on a popular proverb. Despair gives courage to a coward, and its significance in our life. Most of the time, we do not realize the talent that is within us. So, when we are eager to know to do something, then we feel problems. In that critical situation, our situation is just like a drowning man who catches straw and way to save his life. We should come up with remedies that is beyond our imagination in a desperate situation. We find the courage to do something extraordinary in a when we are in despair. So, students, we should not lose our hope and be positive and try to find the solutions to avoid the adverse situation. So, students, this is the message of today. You should, I hope, you should follow it. Thank you.
School, attention! National anthem begins.
The struggle you are in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. With this, I conclude today's assembly.
School, stand at ease. Assembly dispersed.